There's America. And there's Scott. Okay guys, check this out. We came across the coolest thing in the desert to cook pizza on. You guys will not believe your freaking eyes. And I mean, look close because you probably won't see one again. Hold on here, watch. Look at that. A pizzazz. Our friends Jim and Sharon right down the road brought one out the other night, and we cooked a couple pizzas sitting outside next to the fire. And I said I gotta get me one of those. So thanks Jim and Sharon, I got me one of those. Okay you guys, this is, oh let's see, probably about 28 minutes in.
Wow.
It's not really done in the center. The bottom looks pretty nice and crispy. Let me show you here. Looks pretty good and, ow! I'm gonna just do, so now I can come up here. The bottom's kind of done, so I'm just gonna switch it to the upper only. Starting to work into the center though. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and see how she rolls. But I'll show you again when the buzzard goes off. That's how I cooked it. Pretty good for frozen pizza. Anyways, Sana likes it. That's all that matters. All right, guys. That concludes my unovened pizza oven. Oh, this is not a sponsored video. We have not been sponsored by Pizzazz by Presto. But it is pretty cool. Anyway, have fun guys. Bye y'all.
Guys, check it out. Scott forgot to take a picture of it when it was done. It cooked it perfectly.
Okay,